guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. So I am on my way to date night and I did do a get ready with me so you could see how I did my hair, my makeup, and the dress that I'm wearing with all the other accessories. But we are going to make a cocktail before I leave because I thought to myself, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that there's a cocktail that I order when the place has all the ingredients. So I'm going to share that cocktail with you. I'm going to do it a couple different ways because I like to mix it up. And if I'm making this cocktail at home, this is what I would do. I'm going to call this drink Darlene's Sparkling Refresher. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. And if you're not yet subscribed to that thing, hit that subscribe button, the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, for those of you that have followed me, you know I do keto cocktails. I take cocktails that are high in sugar and I have a whole playlist from lemon drops to margaritas, you name it. It's in that playlist. This one is purely my idea. So this is very, very keto friendly. That's why I love it. All right, let's talk about the ingredients. Number one, Prosecco. You know your girl loves Prosecco. If you can find this Prosecco, if you have a Total Wine and More, this is less than $10. Well, I don't know with the tariffs, you know, it might be 20 now, but it's less than $10 if they have it. And it is unbelievably delicious. The Ice Rose has a slight pink hue to it, but they also have a brut. Sparkling water. I'm obsessed with the Saratoga sparkling water. I'm telling you, it's phenomenal, not to mention the bottles are gorgeous. We need a little DBeauty and we need ruby red grapefruit. I only have the little tiny bottles. I got about 20 of them. So we're gonna use one of these today. And then you need some fresh mint. And then ice cubes of your choice. You know Darlene, she likes to make her own ice cubes. This is 0 carb pink lemonade with some mint and strawberries. This one just has mint if you don't want the strawberries, or if you don't want any of it, I've just got some big round balls. There we go. All right, let's do it. Now, the glass I'm using is a coupe glass. I normally do not get this in the restaurant as a martini, okay? I get it on the rocks. I'm always usually outside when I do it. All right, but let's make it. Ready? Here we go. Let's do it. All right, shaker with ice. Now, you don't need to shake this, but I like shaking it. You can't shake the Prosecco or you're gonna have a mess. I'm doing 1 ounce of DBeauty. So yeah, this holds about 2 ounces, yep. But we're only doing 1 ounce. It's a splash. And then we're gonna pour some sparkling water in. Boy, this is an eyeball. It depends on your glass. I'm gonna put a little bit of mint in to shake it up. I love the taste of mint. Lord, this girl can make a mess. Pour this into our glass. See, I got a little piece of mint. I love that. Then we are going to top with Prosecco. And the Prosecco is going to be pink too. See that? Now, I'm saving a little tiny room. Gonna give it a little swirl. Now, you could add an ice. This is a little too full, so hold on. Okay. I like a pretty ice cube. And then we need a little sprig of mint. It's taste test time. I filled this to the brim. Lordy. It's perfect. Here's the thing, very low in carbs, you guys. Now, the way that I normally have it, I will show you. I normally have it with ice. Okay, if I'm wherever I am, we've got some ice. I'm gonna take out that pretty ice cube. Can't waste. And then pour it right over. Garnish. This is how I normally have it. Let me tell you something. Grow some mint. I'm telling you, it's towards the end of the season. I picked up a plant that was like half dead. It's doubled in size already. I've already gone through a whole plant. When I went to Alaska, it died because nobody watered it. But when you go to drink, you get that aroma of the mint. Oh, it is divine. Delicious. Very refreshing. Hope you enjoyed the cocktail. If you did, take a minute, hit that thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.